A table tennis friendship match was held in Los Angeles, the United States on Sunday to celebrate the 50th anniversary of ping-pong diplomacy between China and the United States. The commemorative event was jointly organized by the USA Table Tennis and the All-American Chinese Association.
Friendship's not just to understand how to play table tennis, but how people are living, meet their families, and share experiences over the years instead of just competition, period. And so it's been a very valuable thing to me. I've got friends in China and, of course, friends in other parts of the world through table tennis that I wouldn't have otherwise.
What ping-pong diplomacy teaches us is, first and foremost, it's about people having friendship, having opportunities to play with one another. And those opportunities and the friendships that it forms transcend all of the other things. So that's really the most valuable lesson and the most valuable opportunity.